to fix LinkedIn login issue. If you're having issue logging into your LinkedIn account, first thing it could be because of your incorrect credentials. So simply want to type in sign in with email, and there you will be asked to either go with your Google or Apple ID. Now, if you've used either one of these options, then you must make sure that the following account must be logged into the device. Then you'll be logged in. Next, if you've entered in your correct or incorrect phone number, and that can also hamper with the login issue, so you might want to make sure to tap or just press onto the I button so that you can check your information or credential as well. And if you don't think that the password is correct, you could simply tap on forgot password, and you'll be asked to provide a email or a phone number so that a link could be sent, and there you could simply go ahead and reset your information as well. Now, despite doing all that, if none of these procedure works, you could also go ahead and simply launch open settings, check whether you're connected to a stable internet or not by going to this network and internet section. After which, you could also go to this app section, locate LinkedIn, and go to cache, and there you have clear cache, and then at the same time close all the background running app and restart the device. That should definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.